Hey guys, Emily here. I am coming to you from my kitchen and hopefully my phone doesn't come crashing down. I have like this crazy rigged up thing going on to try and get a straightforward video of me. I think if I leave it up, maybe Rob will find something that's better for me, that's a little bit easier, not homemade. He's great like that. He does things to help me solve problems. I love him for it. So I love to give to other people and I like being generous, but I used my points from Avon to get something for me. I think this is so important, especially for people that are always taking care of others. Hey guys, to definitely reward yourself and take care of yourself first so that you can take care of other people. So as far as self-care, I make sure to go for a massage every month or every other month. I go to the counselor because I deal with so many people, so she helps me work out my real life problems, and I love to be there for my kids, be a mom, go out on date nights with Rob. So this is kind of just how I balance everything. But getting back to doing something for me, so everybody knows that the points are changing into something else with Avon. So we have till the end of the year to redeem them. So I had a bunch of points and I was gonna buy gift cards to give away to my team members, and I was like, no, Emily, like, you need to do something for you. So I actually like forced myself to spend my points on something that I probably wouldn't buy for myself. So here is my package. This is my first Tiffany purchase. I've received Tiffany from Avon before as a gift, but never bought it myself. So this is a little bit exciting. I would probably never buy this, and I remember always wanting this in high school, and so now I'm making my own dreams come true. This is exciting. Let's see. Cute, very nice packaging, nice little gift bag there. How many of you guys have this bracelet? It's like, I know it's been around a long time because I always wanted it in high school and I never got it. Okay, there is the little pouch. Ooh, fancy. So I got the traditional sterling silver link bracelet with the heart tag. So yay, how exciting. You have to treat yourself, you guys, when you're always doing stuff for other people. It's important to keep you happy too. There's Izzy, my little troublemaker. Let's see what else I got. So I got some, hi Kelly. So my other gift that is on the way is a black Coach purse. I know I'm pretty boring. I go with the old standbys, and I have two big black purses that are actually from my team and Cheryl, but I don't have like a little black purse that I can take with me like when I'm traveling or out. So I got this really cute little black Coach purse. I'll have to show you when that arrives. And I want to show you our new elixir. You guys have to get this. It's so amazing. Hi, Lindsay. It smells so good. It's half oil, half serum, and it can be added to your morning and evening skincare routine. So you would want to wash your face first, let it dry and settle for like 10 to 15 minutes. Put this on before your moisturizer, and then you want to put on your eye cream afterwards. So if you're ever wondering what order to put skincare on, do it from lightest to heaviest. So consistency is a good way to, a good rule of thumb if you're not sure when to put it on. I've been using this for just a few weeks and I've already noticed a difference in my skin, the way it feels, the way it looks. 94% of women saw a difference within 2 weeks, an improvement with the most advanced signs of aging. So if you are an Avon customer, you have to try this. If you are an Avon rep, you have to buy it and you have to get samples and you have to spread what a great product it is, because it's super amazing and I'm so excited about it. I have our Naked Proof line here. So this is gonna help you with stretch marks, cellulite, and firming. I know none of you guys need any help with that, but these products are here just in case. I have been using them and getting ready to go to Maui in April. So firming up those arms, working on the cellulite and everything else. We have our Zen candles. Yes, Avon has more than makeup and skincare and fragrance. A lot of customers are still always surprised to see that. And then we just came out with our fun Crave lip glosses. So these come in fun flavors and scents like birthday cake and chocolate brownie. Hi Ellen, hey Linda. I am coming to you from my kitchen. I hosted Bunko last night, so I don't really like to cook, so I got lasagna and special salad. Okay, so this is from the Los Cabos Grand Fiesta incentive. This is the incentive mirror. I don't know if you guys can see that real well. And then the brush set. So I'm opening these for the first time in front of you guys. The tote you get when you reach 2,000 points. The bath towel is 1,000. Hi Ellen, I'm like squinting. I actually don't have my contacts yet. So that's my excuse. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I don't think I've probably ever owned this many makeup brushes in my life. Thank you, Avon. Can you guys see that? That is awesome. And it comes in this amazing little fold up pouch. You guys have to get 3,000 points. And I need to learn how to use these brushes. Maybe some of you that are good with the beauty videos, the makeup tutorials can help me. I'm always learning. All right, what is this? This is the tote. I brought scissors over here because I knew like I'd be struggling trying to open all this stuff. Okay, we need to sell those brushes. We do. I will show them again in a minute. Very, very nice. So that is the tote. I love my Avon totes. You can never have enough. If you do earn the trip, don't tell this secret because I don't think Avon's gonna want me to tell you guys this, but be careful because everyone brings them and they can get lost really easily. So you might want to get in the practice of like bringing the tote from the last trip to the next year. Otherwise there's like thousands of bags that look exactly the same. What else? Okay, let me show you again the brushes, because this is amazing. Whoa. I don't even think I can probably guess what they're all for. I'm very honest with you guys. We'll have to like go through and figure out what each of them are. They should have like a thing on the back of it saying what brush it is for those of us that need a little assistance. All right, well, I think that is it. Let me show you my bracelet. Again, this is very exciting for me. Yay! For my team members, I am still giving away. I'm doing a daily gift card drawing, and you get entered for adding a team member. Hi, Tracy. Tracy's one of our star recruiters right now, so follow her. And what else am I doing? I'm doing a $100 bonus if you advance in title for the very first time through campaign 8. So you guys, campaign 6, you get double points for any of your qualified new recruits that place that additional $150 order. So get the excitement out there. I want to see you guys in Los Cabos in June. I think it's June 2nd to the 5th. So that'll be super exciting. Rob and I will be there. 5,000 points to earn the trip for 1 and 7,000 to earn it for 2. And don't forget to get your dual elixir. If you're in the Rockford area, we have it at our Avon store. Highly recommend it. Have a great day, you guys. See ya. Bye. Oh, geez. See? I got to get a better, more professional stand here. Bye.